At least 20 people are dead following a Russian strike in the heart of a central Ukrainian city. Officials say 2 children were killed in the attack on Vinnytsia. Dozens more are hurt. This is the first time the city has been targeted since the start of the war. This is American WNBA star Brittney Griner was back in court in Russia this morning. She pleaded guilty last week to drug charges that carry a maximum prison sentence of 10 years. Senior Forward correspondent Charlie Daggett is following this for us from London. So, Charlie, we know Griner arrived in court late this morning. Can you explain what's happening now?
What's expected today is she and her defense team will put together mitigating circumstances. She's going to put her defense together. Her argument last week when she pleaded guilty to the charges was that she had inadvertently packed cannabis oils. She had no intention of breaking Russian law. And that is what's put her into that situation. However, the charges that are against her are for trafficking and distribution, which are the highest charges that you can get in Russia. So what they will be trying to do, her defense team will be trying to do, is try to put forward these mitigating circumstances in order to lessen the severity of the sentence.
So, we were talking earlier about the options moving forward for her. I mean, it's really not about her now. This conversation about her being a pawn. It really is sort of conversations happening at a much higher level. But kind of like talk this out for us, Charlie. What are some of the possibilities once she is sentenced?
Well, her defense team, the reason for the sentencing is really to expedite this case to go to the next level. The Russian government says that it cannot go to the next level until the judicial process has been satisfied, meaning she has to go through this court appearance, she has to be tried, she has to be sentenced. We've said this before, there's a 99% rate of conviction in Russian courts, not just for foreigners, but for anybody in Russian courts. So it was more than likely she would have been found guilty anyway. In terms of what their defense team is trying to do is really speed up that process to try to expedite the process, get this trial over as soon as possible. Because once that happens, then it goes to a diplomatic level where you can have the United States and Russia negotiating at a diplomatic level rather than freeing of somebody who's been arrested but not necessarily tried and convicted. So that could set the stage for what certainly Brittney Griner's team is hoping would be a prisoner swap.
Yeah, and who she would be swapped for is a whole other conversation. Charlie, thank you very much.
Thank you.